During the emergency, the government representatives called for the minimum of expenditure in all government establishments. I hope you will subject it to the Lord's wishes. The information in the telegram did not surprise the administrator. From their remark, I believe this subject is very satisfactory. In our opinion, the northern building is more than satisfactory. Within an hour, we expect delivery of all the chairs. Public investigation is sure to be called for next. It is remarkable that he should build without more insurance. It will give them more pleasure to do everything themselves. Because of the financial difficulties within the organization, it is our important responsibility to respect the wishes of the executive members. We sent a telegram to the capable doctor yesterday signifying our unanimous satisfaction over his appointment. Whatever we advertise has a commercial significance. The insurance that we expected in January was never sent. According to the distinguished general, the intelligent Englishman did not give the assignment. The doctor cannot give an opinion without more information from those responsible. The southern people are very different from the northern people in their opinions and beliefs. Whatever the circumstances are which influenced this investigation, I believe it is important that we should be sympathetic. We expect to be together in New York next November. The principal has never been enthusiastic on the subject of school buildings. People agree unanimously on the difficulty of distinguishing between identical twins. I sent a telegram yesterday giving particulars of the words to be inscribed on the certificate. The manufacturer sensibly cross-examined the representative's falsification. It is a wonderful building and should have an inscription which would influence people together. Here, I think that he can speak almost any language and that it is his wish to go to the United States as soon as possible. He was in the United States for several years, and this had much influence, pleasure given to the people on our behalf, though we think ourselves of the gentleman. Thanks for the great satisfaction was as much as it was ours. The gentleman believed that the improvements to the building would be to his satisfaction. The organizer is irremovable from his executive appointment, howsoever inefficient and irresponsible we think him to be. The gentleman had become unsatisfactory financially rather than in his character. Greatly improved production called for the amalgamation of the two establishments. The child organized a call from the doctor, and within 2 days there was a remarkable improvement. It was performed by an established company and was a very expensive production. Together, he is an unprincipled man and proficient in falsification. You will have to practice with care and take instructions from someone with first-hand knowledge. All the gold objects are inscribed and cannot therefore be exchanged without great difficulty. We were cheered because of the improvement in the child. The principles of liberty and truth come first with him. Which were the things you expected me to give you? Tell him we have nothing for delivery till next November. It is almost beyond his influence, though he is next. What you wish was to be owing for him. Wherever you have an opportunity, you should advertise the publication. However, we expect quite an improvement in our regular delivery, and we do not think it will be inconvenient. It gives me great satisfaction to acknowledge the balance which was owing to us. The writer remarked that he did not have any interest in this important publication. Do not neglect to do this immediately.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.